Yes.
We are supporting 3 all-women crews.
Very good.
Participate in the rally. This is her co-driver.
Yes. Lynette.
Lynette is co-driving.
Nyinyi mmefanya at least practice mujue nini. Big after.
Yes.
Good luck.
Thank you.
This is the second all-women crew. Introduce yourself, His Excellency.
I'm Natasha Tunde.
Natasha.
Yeah, Tunde.
Thank you very much. Very good, Natasha.
Natasha is a close neighbor.
Yes.
Close neighbor of,
Okay, thank you very much. Safina, so you will be her co-driver?
No,
the
Navigator.
Navigator.
Oh, navigator is different from co-driver.
It's the same thing.
It's the same thing, maybe. Okay.
Third all-girl crew.
Jenny from Malik. Nice to
Malik, how are you?
Good.
Very good.
Koi Mungai.
Koi, how are you? Very good. Muko tayari?
Kabisa.
Eh.
Yes. Hoping for the best.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Caroline, how are you? Umejipanga?
Kabisa.
Kabisa, eh?
Tinashe Gatima.
Gatimu. So you, all girl.
All girl, mother, daughter, mother.
This is the mother-daughter crew. Mother-daughter crew. Let's give it up to the
Oh my
mother-daughter
God.
crew.
Pongezi. Hello, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Very good. Hamza, how are you? Very good. I saw your machine. Very good. Yes, thank you very much. Adnan, asante sana. Hello, how are you? Jeremiah.
Now, Your Excellency, allow me to introduce pretty much our youth drivers.
Oh, very good.
They have established themselves and they will be the face of Kenyan youth.
Of the young people. Okay. Have you tried this before?
We've been doing it for 2 years now.
2 years? Okay.
Rallying that is, yes.
Rallying. Okay. So this year, what do you expect?
Hopefully put Kenya up there, get a few drivers in the top places.
Okay.
Yeah.
My very best wishes, guys. Thank you. Drive.
Left and right.
Na hii kijiti kubwa hii ni Jogia. Oh, hiyo. Why? I thought the handbrake. That's the handbrake.
To help you turn quicker.
Okay, very good. Look at that. Hii mzuri sana. Pongezi. So, you guys are ready?
National champion.
Yes.
The Kenya national champion.
Okay.
Rallying, yes.
Wow.
So
Last year's.
Last year's and ready to go this year. Yeah.
Hopefully this year again. Wow. Good luck. Thank you very much. Good luck. Chachani, habari? How are things?
Good, not too
Very
bad.
good. You ready?
Yeah, we are. All good to go.
Okay, very good. With this good man.
Yes, my nephew.
Okay, Mr. Patel. So where's your machine?
It's actually in the garage. Couldn't bring it, unfortunately.
Getting ready.
You're making it ready.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Valdev Chaga, champion.
Asante sana. Yes. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay,
Thank you.
Asante Sana.
Yeah. So I think that's a new dimension.
It is a new dimension, the first ever. Now the country, after 70 years,
Yes.
has a school to offer training in competitive rallying.
Wonderful.
In a real rallying motor automobile.
Very good.
Thank you,
Thank
Your
you.
Excellency.
Thank you.
And should you need classes, Your Excellency, you should be the first student.